Hi, I am Florence Mayfair and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. This is your Sagittarius Horoscope for May 2025, a month of work-life balance, relationship shifts, and long-term goal setting as the cosmos urges you to refine your daily routines and embrace new partnerships. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. May brings a focus on work, health, and relationships. The new moon in Taurus, May 19, highlights your sixth house of daily routines, wellness, and career responsibilities, making it a powerful time to set healthy habits and streamline work efforts. With Mars entering Leo on May 16th, your focus shifts toward expansion, higher learning, and long-term aspirations. Jupiter enters Gemini on May 25th, launching a 12-month cycle of relationship growth, partnerships, and social expansion, making this an excellent time for both romantic and business commitments. New moon in Taurus, May 19. A fresh start in your sixth house of work, health, and productivity. This is a great time to commit to a healthier routine, refine work habits, and organize daily tasks. Mars in Cancer until May 16 and Leo after May 16. Before May 16th, Mars in Cancer brings focus to financial planning, shared resources, and emotional transformation. After May 16th, Mars in Leo fuels adventure, travel, and higher learning, making it an excellent time for expanding knowledge, networking, or planning trips. Jupiter enters Gemini May 25th. Jupiter moves into your seventh house of relationships and partnerships, marking a powerful year for personal and professional connections. Career and finances. May is a pivotal month for career adjustments and financial planning. The new moon in Taurus, May 19, encourages workplace improvements, healthy habits, and financial stability. With Jupiter entering Gemini on May 25th, expect new contracts, business partnerships, or significant relationship developments in the coming year. Best dates for career and financial success. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, set intentions for work and productivity. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, expansion in partnerships and professional connections. Relationships. With Venus in Gemini until May 24th, relationships take on a light, social, and communicative energy, making it a great time for meeting new people or deepening intellectual bonds. When Venus moves into Cancer on May 24th, love becomes more intimate and emotionally fulfilling. If single, you may attract someone who values deep conversations and emotional security. Best days for love. May 11-13, Venus trine Pluto, relationship transformations and emotional depth. May 24, Venus enters Cancer, love shifts toward deep emotional connection. Health and well-being. The new moon in Taurus, May 19, is a great time to reset health routines, commit to wellness, and improve daily habits. With Mars in Leo after May 16th, you may feel energized to take on physical activities, travel, or explore new learning experiences. Best days for success. May 16th, Mars enters Leo, boosting confidence, motivation, and travel opportunities. May 19, new moon in Taurus, health and career reset. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, relationship expansion and new partnerships begin. What to avoid? May 20, Mars square Jupiter. Avoid overcommitting to travel or taking on too many responsibilities at once. May 24-27, Saturn retrograde begins. Reflect on partnership responsibilities and commitments. May 2025 is a transformative month for Sagittarius, bringing work-life balance, career growth, and relationship expansion. With Jupiter in Gemini, this is the beginning of a year of powerful partnerships and new opportunities. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.